Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks into Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you are switching from another browser, Google Chrome lets you import your bookmarks in just a few clicks. This saves you from adding your favorite websites manually. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Then click the three dot menu in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and select settings in the drop down menu. In the left pane, you need to click You and Google. After that, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. From the drop down menu, you can choose either Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. After that, make sure favorites or bookmarks is checked here. You can also choose to import other items such as browsing history or saved passwords if needed. After that, click the import button. After a few moments, Google Chrome will import your bookmarks. To view them, again go to the bookmarks and list by clicking on the three dot menu and under drop down menu hover mouse over bookmarks and lists. After that, click open bookmark manager. Here you can see all the bookmark items that has been imported. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard to open the bookmark manager directly. That's it. You have successfully imported bookmarks into Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.